Hi, in this video we will discuss about eyes care. Primary function of eyes. The primary function of the eyes is to provide vision, allowing us to see and interpret the world around us. Good vision is essential for daily activities such as reading, driving, recognizing faces, and navigating our surroundings. Protection for eyes. Regular eye exams are essential for maintaining good eye health and detecting potential issues early on. Regular eye exams are not only about identifying and correcting vision problems, they also play a crucial role in maintaining overall eye health. Some eye conditions such as glaucoma may not cause noticeable symptoms in the early stages, making regular exams vital for early detection. Remember, early treatment of eye conditions can prevent or slow down the progression of many eye diseases. Wear sunglasses that block 100% of UVA and UVB rays to protect your eyes from harmful ultraviolet radiation. UV radiation is a form of electromagnetic radiation with shorter wavelengths than visible light, making it invisible to the human eye. Ensure proper lighting when reading or working on a computer. Avoid glare and position your computer screen at eye level to reduce eye strain. Using blue light blocking glasses, especially if you spend extended periods looking at screens. Consume a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly those beneficial for eye health such as vitamins A, C, and E, as well as zinc and omega-3 fatty acids. Foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E in your diet can offer a synergistic effect, as these vitamins contribute to various aspects of health. Best fruits for eyes care. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are like superheroes for our eyes. They're packed with antioxidants, especially something called anthocyanins, which protect our eyes from damage. Eating blueberries regularly can lower the chance of having vision problems as we get older. These magical berries do more than just protect, they actually help our eyes work better. So when we eat blueberries, it's like giving our eyes a special tool to see more clearly and feel less tired, especially after spending a lot of time looking at screens. Number 2. Strawberries. Strawberries, beyond being a delicious and juicy treat, offer notable benefits for eye health. Packed with vitamin C, these vibrant berries play a crucial role in supporting overall eye health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the eyes. The presence of antioxidants in strawberries promotes collagen production, essential for maintaining the structure and strength of the cornea and other eye tissues. Number 3. Oranges. Oranges are like superheroes for our eyes because they have lots of vitamin C. This vitamin helps keep our eyes strong and protected from things that can make them not work well. Vitamin C is like a shield that fights against problems. Oranges aren't just good for our eyes, they taste awesome too. So having an orange every day is like having a delicious and powerful friend that looks out for our eyes. Number 4. Papaya. Papaya is considered excellent for eye health due to its rich content of essential nutrients, including vitamins A and C, as well as other beneficial compounds. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining good vision. Papaya also contains zeaxanthin and lutein, two essential compounds known as carotenoids. These carotenoids are found in high concentrations in the retina and may help protect against oxidative damage. Number 5. Kiwi. Kiwi is considered beneficial for eye health due to its rich nutritional profile, particularly its content of vitamin C and E, as well as other essential compounds. Kiwi is exceptionally high in vitamin C. Kiwi's anti-inflammatory properties contribute to overall eye health by reducing inflammation. Kiwi is also a hydrating fruit with a good water content, contributing to overall hydration, which is beneficial for eye comfort and health. Number 6. Guava. Guava is a nutrient-dense fruit providing fiber, potassium, and other vitamins and minerals that support overall health. A well-balanced diet contributes to general well-being, which includes eye health. Guava is a rich source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy eyes. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in supporting the function of the retina and preventing night blindness. Conclusion. In conclusion, taking proactive steps for eye care is crucial for maintaining optimal vision and overall well-being. Incorporating a variety of fruits into your diet, such as blueberries, strawberries, oranges, papaya, kiwi, and guava, can provide a range of essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, along with antioxidants and carotenoids.